Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, July 28th. Figure it's time to do a little update because it's actually quite a bit of work right now to take care of in the garden. Oh, by the way, this is Chris from CJ's Landscape Design, Organic Gardening. So we'll start here in the front garden just to kind of see what's going on. We have some squash that's climbing the now pretty much dead sunflower stalks. Got lots of aromas going down in here. I see some ripe ones gonna have to get to today. Here's the second round of sunflowers. There's a bunch of them over here too. Figured we kind of stagger plant those, that way we'd have them throughout the year for the birds. See, the peas are done and gonna have to be pulled. That sunflower stalk is serving no purpose unless I had something to grow up it, so I'm going to take that out. These peppers, cayenne if I remember right. Yeah, cayenne peppers. Nasturtiums in bloom. A little bit of alyssum. Coleus plants, Damien planted and grew. Now these are those mini orange fleshed tomatoes. It's supposed to be a cherry tomato type, so hopefully they're very sweet. Corn's coming along pretty nice. There's more of it hiding over there. Watermelon's growing like crazy. There's the big one. Zucchini, I think, may have stopped producing, but it still looks pretty healthy. So I think we'll definitely keep that, see if it blooms again. Brandywine tomatoes. Butternut squash. More butternut squash in the back over here. Way down in there. And more flowers, so maybe more to come. Zinnias aren't bad. Some more sweet corn. Marigolds are in bloom. Green peppers are just now starting to produce again. Here's where I get to where I have some work. These Romas over here took a beating. We had one heck of a storm a little while back, and 80-mile-an-hour winds. Tornado was reported. It was pretty interesting, to say the least. I was down in the capital, Albany, driving at the time when it hit, and tell you, interesting experience. Brandywine's over here looking pretty good. Not real huge producers, but we'll see. It's still pretty early in their season. Green beans aren't looking too bad. Carrots are probably about ready to outgrow their bag. And even this monstrosity is producing a little bit. These peas back here are still in flower, so probably keep them a little bit longer, but they're pretty banged up. Raised bed had the radishes pulled out. Matter of fact, I gotta drag them over to the compost pile, but that's what's left. And she does have some strawberries coming up. And apparently mushrooms like my soil because we keep getting these. It's been a good summer so far. We've been eating from our garden and enjoying it. So I see the squirrels took the last of my corn out of here. So they just got the last couple of stalks. I'm not sure why they want my corn, but whatever. Well, they're probably eating it actually. A couple cukes, one's a little funky shaped. Got more cucumber vines growing out this way. Some Roma tomatoes. A little on the slow side because we don't get a ton of sun right here. Same thing with these poor potatoes, but they're growing. So that's it for today. That's the update. I got a ton of work to get taken care of, and don't forget to subscribe and to hit that like button. Just a quick transformation video at the end. Everything nice and cleaned up. Shasta daisies now out in the sun. Romas have been cleaned up, staked up. Sunflowers, all the weeds have been pulled, and it has been mulched with straw. Been cleaning up out here as well. All the brandywines. Some of them were hiding back in the weeds. Same thing with some of my smaller corn, apparently. But did a little cleaning out here. And when it's not so hot, probably going to do a little bit more.